Hi teacher, good evening. Our group is talking about were story areas. I will begin our presentation by talking about the importance of story areas in modern warehouse. In logistics, a warehouse is not only a place to store goods, it is a strategic space to support fast movement, accuracy, and coordination between different operations. The way storage areas are organized affects productivity, cost efficiency, and even customer satisfaction. Storage areas matter because this determines how space is used and how safely workers can operate. A well-designed storage areas system helps reduce unnecessary walking, minimize delays, and support that we call continuous flow. This means materials move from one storage to another without interruption. We will explain different types of storage systems and how they contribute to efficient material flow. Thank you.
Thank you, Barbara. Now I will explain the two main categories of storage: centralized and decentralized storage. Centralized storing, placing all inventory in one main closet zone. This method is ideal for companies that want extreme control and easier supervision. It simplifies inventory management and works well when there is plenty of space. However, it can slow down operation because workers may need to out long distances, and materials as the mushroom a single area which can create congestion. On the other hand, decentralized storage spreads materials across different parts of the warehouse, usually closer to where they are actually used. This approach supports flexibility and faster workflows. Overall, decentralized storage is more efficient when speed and continuous flow are primed-oriented. It reduces unnecessary movement, increases productivity, and supports modern warehouse operation. Sonju.
Efficient materials flow ASRS in vertical space. Hello everyone. I will talk about efficient material flow or merit system and the use of vertical space in a warehouse. One of the main goals in logistics is to maintain continuous flow. This means materials move smoothly from receiving to storage to picking and finally to shipping. Interruptions or delays can cause serious problems such as bottlenecks, late order, and higher operational costs. Storage system must therefore support constant movement. Automated storage and retrieval system, known as ASRS, are technologies designed to move production in and out of storage automatically. They offer high accuracy and save labor, but they also come with disadvantages. They are expensive to install, rely heavily on computer systems, and can stop operation if a failure occurs. That is why not all companies are able or willing to use automation. These strategies help maintain efficiency in modern warehouse operation. Thank you.
To finish out the presentation, I will explain key logistic vocabulary from the topic and how it's applied in the real warehouse environment. First, continue flow means materials move to get the warehouse without stopping. This is exactly for about the light. Temporary store refresh to items that are held only for a short period before moving to the next stage. The verb review means to take an items off on the storage, usually for picking or production. We also use the term convenient to describe storage solutions that are easy to access and manage. Point of use store, for example, is convenient because materials are stored exactly where workers need them. Finally, decentralized store means materials are placed in several locations inside of just one central area. Thank you everybody for your attention.